Before you swipe that credit card again, stop. These are the 10 commandments of credit cards that could save you from a lifetime of debt. Miss one? You could be in trouble. Commandment 1, thou shalt pay on time. Your payment history is 35% of your credit score. One late payment? Boom, your score drops and fees hit hard. Set reminders. Use autopay. Never be late. Commandment 2, thou shalt not carry a balance interest builds fast. Treat your credit card like a debit card. Only spend what you can pay off in full every month. Commandment 3, thou shalt keep utilization below 30%. Using too much of your limit? It looks risky. If your limit is 1,000, keep your usage under 300. Commandment 4, thou shalt check thy statement's errors, fraud, hidden charges. They sneak in silently. Review every bill before you pay. Commandment 5, thou shalt not chase points blindly. Spending $100 just to get $2 in points? That's a loss. Rewards are nice, but only for smart spenders. Commandment 6, thou shalt build credit wisely. It's not about having many cards. It's about managing one well. Use it responsibly and your credit score will grow. Commandment 7, thou shalt not apply for too many cards. Every new card triggers a hard check. Too many? Your score drops. Space out your applications. Commandment 8, thou shalt understand fees, annual fees, balance transfer fees, foreign transaction charges. Read the fine print. Don't let fees surprise you. Commandment 9, thou shalt protect thy card info. Avoid shady sites. Never share your card number. Fraud prevention starts with you. Commandment 10, thou shalt treat credit as a tool, not free money. Credit isn't income. It's leverage. Use it smartly to build wealth, not debt. These 10 credit commandments are your shield against debt and your path to financial freedom. Like, comment with your biggest takeaway, and subscribe for more smart money tips.